Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to solve few problems on a concept exponent of a product. So here the first example is 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 4. Here bases are different and exponents are same. And here 2 raised to the power 4 can be written as 2 multiplies itself for 4 times. And 3 raised to the power 4 can be written as 3 multiplies itself for 4 times. And this can be written as 2 into 3 multiplies itself for 4 times. So hence we can write this as 2 into 3 raised to the power 4. So we can say that 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 4 is equal to 2 into 3 raised to the power 4. And coming to the second example, which is nothing but 5 raised to the power 3 into 6 raised to the power 3. So we can write this as 5 multiplies itself for 3 times into 6 multiplies itself for 3 times. This can be written as 5 into 6 multiplies itself for 3 times. That is nothing but 5 into 6 raised to the power 3. So here we can say that 5 raised to the power 3 into 6 raised to the power 3 is equal to 5 into 6 whole power 3. So let us proceed to few more examples. So here next example is a into b whole power 8, which can be written as a to the power 8 into b to the power 8. And the next example, that is x raised to the power 9 into y raised to the power 9, can be written as x into y whole power 9. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.